Everybody, got a quick tutorial tip for you. So I'm just going to drop in a landscape real quick. Doesn't have to be anything special. And what I want to do is come over and just drop in like a tree. Now I'm just using Blender Kit with this, and the tip is on Bagapie. I always like to delete these empties. They don't really help when you're doing instances. Alright, so kind of scale that down and apply the scale. So if you got the Bagapie add-on, you know it. It's an amazing geometry nodes based add-on. And if you haven't explored everything to do with it, usually you just have to click, say, on the train and hit J, and there's a bunch of options. Or you can click on a mesh and then shift right click on your terrain and then hit J. And one of those fun things that I see is the point snap instance. And apparently you can just click an instance anywhere you want, and that's pretty cool, but that's not even the cool part. So if I hit G, I can literally shove these around the terrain and place them effectively anywhere I want. Then obviously over here in the modifier panel, I've got a number of different things. I can randomize the rotation once I've got it kind of set. I can offset the scale and do a bunch of other really cool things. And then if I want, I can go back to adding instances and just get crazy. But be careful that those are not actually a bounding box or a convex hull. And once you're done adding those instances, you can just hit escape to stop. And after that, if you want to add some more, you can just click add instances again and then add some more in. So it's a pretty cool trick. You can, work with that and see how that works for you and find some cool applications for it. But to I don't like this right here, you just like a little slight adjustment there. I mean, that's incredible. So anyways, just want to share that as a quick tip. Everyone, enjoy your evening. Have a good week. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial lesson.